This motorhome is the Sun i700 LEG from Knaus. For something like this, you're looking at €177,000. Hey, can you see that? You wouldn't have believed me if I hadn't told you, would you? And let's have a look at some technical details on it, if the thing's working, of course. 765 centimeters long, 234 wide, 218 internal width, 305 height, 200 centimeters of standing height. There you can see it's got a double floor, and coming in now, what Knaus does well is the lounge. I mean, if you like that type of thing, I mean, obviously it's a matter of taste, but I do like this sort of the way it is. I think that's very elegant. I think it's the most elegant lounge on the market. Colour, incidentally, it's up to you. If it's bought new, then there's a lot of choice. If it's second hand, which I suggest everybody buys second hand first, then you get what you're given. Storage at the back, nice display. I think it depends on taste. You've got your switches directly from the bed. It's got a plug, shore power plug at the back, could be connected to the inverter as well. So if you wanted to have the fast charge on your mobile phone, it hasn't got any USB sockets as far as I can see at the back. You'd have to install them yourself. Up here, pointless. Loss of storage space, putting this daft thing up there, which has no sense whatsoever, in my opinion. Here we've got the all-day heating, so you can turn your heating on whilst you're still in bed. And there's a window there, and there's a window on the other side. Here we have a very nice large shower with almost 2 meters of standing height there, and if we close this like that, if I've got the toilet as well, this is also comes with a door here which will close you off from the bedroom. It comes out in parts. I'm not going to do it though, because fearing Knaus quality, it might break down on me. The toilet's been rather an odd angle there, I think, but anyway, I don't think that's a problem. And there's a nice big mirror, so you can see yourself in the mirror in the morning. Under the bed, you get storage on this side, also, which is a wardrobe, and I think you can take this thing here out. That'll come out, and you have access from the garage. On the other side, you have the storage as well, more a wardrobe down there. And right, let's come around here, open this door, back up, and here got a very nice kitchen, deep sink, 3 burners. We've got here a thing for putting eggshells and carrots, the dirty bits of carrots, and that type of thing. Storage thing here for things you might want to show off, like your used beer bottles or something like that. Storage here, units with a soft close function, and of course, as you'd expect, under the sink as well. In here, the space for a television. Might even be a television in there right now. Oh, there is. There you go. There's a television in there right now. And you might think, oh, that wonderful lounge, you can't see the television. Well, you could if you put a mirror up there. You could watch the television from. But yeah, you watch the television from the driver's seats at the front. Here we have got a 177 litre fridge, which opens in both directions. A freezer comes with it, and there's a Thetford oven or grill. That's how big it is. You could actually possibly get chicken in there for those who want to do chicken. So maybe it's an oven. Maybe I need to start calling it oven and not grill. Bed down here, up here. Let's see if I can actually. It's manual. Let's see if I can actually get the thing to come down. Let's see. Well, I can, but there's something wrong with it. Sorry, I'm not. Yeah, it's catching. There's something wrong with it. So I'm not going to try any more than that. This one, as you can see, is on an automatic gearbox, as almost all of them are now. It says here Agouti premium seats, and they are really nice, these Agouti seats. I've got them in my van. Well, not the premium ones, but they're really outstanding. There's a double floor under this carpet. If you don't want the carpet, then you wouldn't take it, but it's there if you. It possibly comes with the vehicle if you want it. In my own vehicle, I said for the winter I was going to put the carpet down, and so far I haven't done it, and it's now January. Maybe I won't, but I'm carrying it around with me all the time. Attractive unit here if you like that type of thing. And this will also open, I think. No, sorry, it doesn't open. That's the handle to help yourself getting in the door. As you're coming into, you've got your lights, your switches up here as well. Here we have built into the door Flynet. It's a nice door. It's got a window, and it's got a bag here for storing things, like sort of junk you might want to put in. But at this price point, I think I would have expected better security than just 2 locking points in it. I've got space here for 2 gas canisters. Put on a what do you call it? A system to I've forgotten the word now. A refillable system in there. That would be much easier. There's your cassette toilet. In here you've got this enormous garage, really big. But again, once more spoilt by the fact that they don't realise that motorhomes move, and this means to say that it is relatively deep. But to be quite honest, I think I'd rather have some elastics things there to stop the engine oils and things like that, whatever you keep in the back there. And this also accessible, or could potentially be accessible from the inside if you opened this door, as I did earlier. That's your wardrobe. Alright, so storage round here, and here we can have a look at the double floor as well. There you've got your Truma frost guard. You fill the water up there, like that, so you've got double protection. You've got a lock on that, and you've got a lock there as well. So that should ought to keep your water safe. And through the batteries, not a lot of space there if you have to do anything with the batteries though, for moving around. They're the fuses, I think, for the aircon unit. And down here I sort of have a look at the double floor, and that is the depth of the double floor. So you can see it's less than you get in, for example, Heimer or Cartago. And coming over here, there's your diesel AdBlue, and when you open this up, the step below comes out as well. Note the position, incidentally, of the brake on the left hand side, like that, built into the seat. I quite like that, actually. And there's a look from the side at the Agouti seats. Right, so watch this go in as I close this. Okay, right, I think this. It's an interesting vehicle. I like the lounge, but really it cannot compare to the Cartago or Heimer models. So that's what I would suggest that you had a look at. Having said that, the lounge is unique, and if you want a lounge like that, then this is the vehicle to go for. On the whole, though, I don't recommend Knaus, and I think the service is really bad from the company, and I'm here talking about, obviously, it's the dealers you deal with, so the dealer might be okay, but it's based from experience that I've got. I've been doing this now for a number of years, and people often blame me when things don't work. I can say this, that the management at Knaus does not react to, so that's why I suggest you look at a different brand. But anyway, you saw the vehicle. Thanks for watching.